Hello, 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 it's Dolly. I am back with Mini Kit Monday, and this is my May wrap up. This is where I show you what's left over from my May kit and the 3 layouts that I completed for the month of May. Before I start showing you what's left over and the layouts that I completed, I just want to remind you that the Mini Kit Monday ladies are Becky, Kathy, Tracy, Daisy, Leslie, Shannon, and myself, and our links are listed below. We have a Facebook group site called Mini Kit Monday Facebook Challenge Group, and I will have the link to that channel as well. So if you want to play along each month, what you need to do is put your kit together, snap a photograph, upload it to the month's album, and then for each Monday of the month, so for instance in May we had 4 Mondays, you get 4 entries, one for your kit and one for 3 layouts. If you do more, that's fine, but you don't get extras. This is not about the numbers. This is about doing a mini kit and doing a layout a week. All right, and then you upload it and you will be entered in to receive a curated kit by one of the Mini Kit Monday ladies, and for the month of May it's myself. I also posted a mood board to provide additional inspiration. You do not have to use the mood board to put your kit together or use the mood board to do your layouts to be entered in. How to be entered in, again, is by snapping a photograph and uploading it to the album. All right, now off to what's left over. All right, if you watched my video, which if you haven't, you need to go watch it. When I put my kit together, I decided my focus for the month of May was to use my scraps, to do at least one layout with mixed media, and to stay focused on just the using as much embellishments that I put together. And when I put my embellishments together, I put it in this tray here, and I did it for layout. So there were 3 layouts, so I said all right, and I had already selected my photographs, so I put them like that, and this is all I have left, is this little tiny pile right there. So I feel like I succeeded and accomplished my goal. All right, I used a couple of my scraps to die cut these stars out using my Cricut. Look at, not very much scraps at all left. I will keep these scraps. I was a little disappointed that I didn't do some watercoloring. I will move some of these scraps to June's layout. So you got to come back in June to see what I put together for June. If I pay all this forward or if I just select some of them, but that's my scraps there. And then these are the little tiny ones that I will not save right here. So they will get tossed. I will not be keeping those. And here are my embellishments. So I have some stickers, clear stickers. I use some. And puffy blues and green, I use some. I had oranges. That's it, guys. This is actually a die cut. So I did a great job. I feel very happy with what I got used up in scraps and embellishments. I did use one chipboard word from here. You'll see on the layout. I did use one word from these foam letter words. And I almost used these yellow ones, but I didn't. So I did use that. All right, off to the layouts here. All right, this is the first layout that I completed. So this would be week 2 of May, the second Monday of May, if you want to go back and see how this was put together. And this is the one that I used mixed media right here. And I used some butterflies, I did some journaling. My title, if you can't read it, says Just Marvelous, and I'm basically complaining because it just keeps raining and raining and raining and raining in 2018 in North Carolina, and it is doing the same for 2019. and 19 so far. All right, layout number 2. So this would have been posted the third week or the third Monday of May. And here is where I used my stars for the die cuts and did 3 clusters. I've got journaling here. Here's the chipboard word. Looks like I got to do some more. I've got cork here. I've got enamel dots. I got a frame. I got a sticker right here. Die cuts, an epoxy word sticker here. Really like how this turned out. And I'm always telling a story behind my layouts too. You're not just watching me do a layout. You get to learn a little bit about me and my family. All right, this is layout number 3. So this would have been posted the 4th Monday of May. I still need to do my journaling right here. You can kind of see the lines here. I have a cluster here. I created this rose here. I'm using Maggie Holmes Rose stamp. I've got a chipboard here, which I think is from Pink Paisley. I've got this acetate heart, and I think that is from Ellie Studios. I have a wood dot here with a heart here, which is pretty much covered up, and I've got an enamel star there and this puffy word, so let's do it. Chipboard, pink glittered chipboard. And guess what? This chipboard had, if you go back to the video, you'll see I'm flipping it. I'm like, where are the Y's? It had no Y's. So I took, what letter did I take? I don't know. You have to go back to the video. Right, I used a sticker, and there's that word that I used, and I did some layering here. This is a die cut. There's die cut here, dolly. And so that is layout number 3. Now you need to come back next Monday, the first Monday of June, to see what our kit will look like. And again, to remind you, we have a Facebook group. You need to go over there if you would like to play along, or go over there if you just want to look in and get inspiration. But if you want to play along, remember, you've got to snap a photograph of your kit, put it in that month's album. So like we're going on June, so you're going to put it on June. You don't work backwards to May. We work in the current month. So the current month is going to be June. You put your layout together, snap a photo, put your kit together, snap a photograph, upload it to June's, and then 3 Mondays out of the month, you snap a photograph of your layout. You will get up to 4 entries to be entered in to possibly win a curated kit. So be sure to subscribe, like, follow the other ladies, give us a thumbs up. That brings us traffic. Be sure to share our channel, because we are here to inspire not just you, but anybody else that you know that scrapbooks, likes watching scrapbooking videos, or just needs some inspiration, or maybe they haven't scrapbooked for a while and they don't know what the new techniques are, or so anyway, enough chatter. I chattered too long. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you all, and like I said, I'll be back, so you come on back. All right, bye.